Welcome to HS Auto. Today, we're diving into the much-anticipated 2026 mg U9. This all-electric SUV is set to redefine the market with its cutting-edge technology and sleek design. Let's explore what makes the MG U9 a standout in the EV world. Design and exterior ****. The 2026 mg U9 boasts a bold and futuristic design. With sharp, aerodynamic lines, a streamlined profile, and an aggressive front grille, this SUV exudes a sense of power and sophistication. LED lighting accents, a full glass roof, and stylish alloy wheels complete the modern look, making it both a head-turner and a statement on the road. Performance and range ****. Under the hood, the MG U9 is equipped with a high-performance electric powertrain. The SUV offers impressive acceleration and handling, with an estimated 0 to 60 miles per hour time of around 4.5 seconds. As for range, the U9 is expected to deliver a solid 350 to 400 miles on a single charge, thanks to its efficient battery and regenerative braking system. Perfect for both city commutes and longer trips. Interior and features ****. Inside, the MG U9 is a luxurious blend of technology and comfort. A spacious cabin offers seating for up to 5 passengers, with premium materials and customizable options. The centerpiece is the 15-inch touchscreen display that controls everything from navigation to climate control. The U9 also comes with advanced driver assist features, including autonomous driving capabilities, making it one of the safest SUVs on the market. Technology and connectivity ****. The MG U9 is packed with innovative tech, such as a fully integrated infotainment system, smartphone connectivity, and voice-activated controls. It also supports over-the-air software updates, ensuring that the car's features stay current for years to come. The SUV also features a high-end sound system, customizable ambient lighting, and even an augmented reality heads-up display, offering a seamless tech experience. Pricing and availability.